Hey there! Welcome to our guide on unblocking Instagram on your school Chromebook in 2025. Let's dive into why this is important. So, why is Instagram often blocked on school Chromebooks? Schools may restrict access to save bandwidth or enforce study time. There are several tools and methods to unblock sites, and we're going to walk you through them all. First up, using a VPN. A VPN can mask your online activity, letting you access Instagram securely. Another method is using a proxy site. Simply enter the Instagram URL, and you're good to go. Don't forget about browser extensions. They can help you bypass restrictions with a few clicks. You can also change your network settings. Here's how to do that step by step. Before you start, remember the legal and ethical considerations of unblocking websites at school. Now, let's show you a real demonstration of one method. Follow along. To wrap up, always use these methods responsibly and be aware of your school's policies. Stay safe online.